of District Election Officer DEO Imphal West Mayanglambam Rajkumar asserted that ECI has directed SIR of electoral rolls in Manipur and fixed July 1st as cut off for new voters in roll revision, with BLOs to begin house-to-house enumeration in Imphal West on May 30. He has informed that booth-level officers, BLOs, will undertake extensive house-to-house visits across the districts till June 28 of 2026 as part of the special intensive revision of electoral roll. During the same period, rationalization of polling stations will also be carried out and completed. Speaking to media persons at Conference Hall of DC Imphal West Office Complex, DC Rajkumar stated that the draft electoral roll will be published on July 5 of 2026. He also informed that the period for filing claims and objections will continue from July 5 to August 4, while disposal of claims and objections will be undertaken from July 5 to September 2 of 2026. The final electoral roll will be published on September 6 of 2026. Elaborating on the scale of the exercise, the DEO stated that the SIR exercise in Imphal West District will cover a total of 3,90,196 electors, comprising 1,85,005 male electors, 2,05,093 female electors, and 98 third gender electors. For smooth conduct of the exercise, the district has deployed 13 electoral registration officers, EROs, 13 assistant electoral registration officers, AEROs, and 530 booth-level officers. The DEO further stated that during the house-to-house visits, BLOs will distribute 2 copies of pre-filled enumeration forms to every elector. He went on to inform that electors may also download and submit the forms online through the official portal. While highlighting the key features of the SIR exercise, DC Rajkumar stated that BLOs will make at least 3 visits during the enumeration process. He emphasized that all electors who submit enumeration forms will be included in a draft electoral roll. Electors are also required to submit a recent passport-size photograph along with the enumeration form. Clarifying the verification process, the DEO informed that no documents will be collected during the enumeration phase and explained that scrutiny of documents will take place during the claims and objections stage. He further informed that the Election Commission of India has notified 13 documents for verification purposes. The DEO emphasized that no elector's name will be deleted without providing an opportunity of being heard. He reiterated that even after publication of the final electoral roll, electors will continue to have access to a 2-level appeal mechanism, first before the district magistrate and subsequently before the Chief Electoral Officer, CEO of the state. DC Rajkumar further informed that meetings have already been conducted with political parties, while training programs and orientation workshops have been organized for BLOs, BLO supervisors, and booth-level agents regarding their roles and responsibilities in the upcoming SIR exercise. Further, to facilitate public assistance, a dedicated help desk has been opened at Reception Center number 3 of the Office of the District Election Officer, Imphal West. The help desk will assist electors in searching previous SIR records, filing and submitting enumeration forms, and assessing both online and offline electoral services. Electors may also seek assistance through the ECI helpline number 1950. The number again is 1950. The ECI Net mobile application, and by contacting their respective BLOs, he informed. He appealed to all eligible electors to actively cooperate with BLOs during the verification and enumeration process. The DEO stated that special arrangements for internally displaced persons IDPs will be undertaken through the Office of the Chief Electoral Officer, Manipur. Necessary assistance will be extended to persons residing in relief camps as well as those staying outside the camps.
Manipur gi special intensive revision packet kadawribasi qualifying date si July gi tarik 1 have the 1st July 2026 as the qualifying date ni Imphal West district ki oina yengbada hanaki SIR exercise na 3,90,196 electors cover tawgani masida 1,85,005 male electors lay 2,05,093 female electors aduga third gender da 98 amasu yauri aiko Imphal West ki oina district election officer gi makhada 13 electoral registration officers lay masisu mogi makhada assistant electoral registration officers AEROs tarahumdo emaga 13 amaga su laijai in total 530 booth level officers ground the thabak torakani BLO sing sina extensive house to house chalakpa matamda moida pre-fill oiba enumeration form ama sumaina enumeration form ama masi every elector gi copy ani pair harga koi yanthokani to each and every elector da masigi se koina isa elector singna download tawjaba yai voters.eci.gov.in dagi masa na su download tawjaba yai to kanagumbana online facility gi khudong sabasi mak adum lauraga online dam adumak yengjaraga submit tawjage hairaga su details sing si online da dumak thajin jaba su dum yai